Hi guys, so today is day 17, right? And here is your tips number 17 for system design interview. I hope you have seen yesterday's video. There I discussed that consistent hashing is one of the key concepts in distributed system. And so it requires a separate video at least to give the information about consistent hashing, even briefly, right? And so I came with this separate video, especially explanation for consistent hashing. Okay, so let's start. I will come the explanation or definition of consistent hashing later, but first of all, you just try to understand that consistent hashing is a key concept of a scalable and efficient distributed system. It is a concept, it is a technique which is widely used in different area of distributed system. All right. In distributed system, especially when you're dealing with cache server or database where you want to distribute the load without impacting many existing data or existing server. How it is, I will explain you, but for now you just understand that in distributed system, whenever you need to scale up or down, and if you want to minimal impact disruption in your existing server, then one short solution for that problem is consistent hashing. All right, let me explain you now what is consistent hashing, because this is almost every interview you will find here and there this kind of question. This question is key question and very favorite question to interviewer to check the concept of interviewing. So just in bookish term, I would say that consistent hashing is a technique that distributes data across a dynamic set of nodes. These nodes are commonly treated as servers. The key benefit of consistent hashing is that when nodes are added or removed, only a small portion of the data needs to be reallocated, making the system more efficient and reducing overhead. I hope that you will remember there are so many scenarios when you want to distribute things. Your one solution is hashing, all right, to distribute among the data among the servers. But in hashing, there is a challenge when you inherent challenge you will get when you want to scale. I mean, add new nodes or remove new nodes. In that time, you will see that lots of server is getting impacted. Lots of existing data need to be recycled. And to handle this scenario, consistent hashing came into the picture. All right. So in more detail, we will discuss in separate video again when I discuss these concepts in much detail with the hands-on. At that time, you will get many other information. But for now, you just understand briefly what is consistent hashing. Let's try to understand advantages of consistent hashing, because once you understand the advantages, you can able to understand or the importance of consistent hashing concept. All right. So the first advantage is minimal rebalancing. Minimal rebalancing. Unlike traditional hash-based distribution, when adding or removing a server can trigger a reallocation of all keys, consistent hashing ensures that only a fraction of the key move to a new node. All right. Improved fault tolerance. If a server fails, only the data associated with that server is redistributed to other available nodes, maintaining serving availability. All right. Next is how consistent is helping in scalability. As the number of servers grows, the system naturally adjusts to balance the load, which helps efficient horizontal scaling. In the same way, if your load up to the system is decreased, in that time you need to scale down your number of servers, which will help you to minimize or optimize your server cost. Right? So in that time also, this consistent hashing is very handy for you. Let's put some practical use case here. So consistent hashing is used in distributed database, distributed cache, content delivery CDN, content delivery network to ensure a smooth and scalable operation across multiple servers. And these are the to your interviewer to ask you in detail discussion hashing whenever you come on certain area of either distributed database or distributed cache, or even you talk about the CDN. All right. So I hope you are very much familiar now why this concept is very important. I encourage you to go and read further on consistent hashing. Even I have shared earlier somewhere in article also on consistent hashing, which is very much detailed. And if I will find quickly, then I will share again. Okay. I will share the link in below in video comment section on, right? By incorporating consistent hashing, you show your ability to design a scalable, fault-tolerant, and efficient system that can dynamically handle changes in a distributed environment. By this way, you can showcase your understanding and capability of a better design in distributed system to your interviewer. And this definitely put good sight in front of the interviewer of your understanding, of your distributed system understanding, which will help you to reach or move next step towards the successful journey on system design interview. By this, I am just wrapping this video, and I would like to thank everybody who is listening this video, and I hope that you will definitely use these kind of concepts in your real system design interview, which will help you to get the mark very soon. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Bye.